Imagine a world where a bowl of yogurt could hold the key to alleviating depression, or where a daily probiotic supplement might be prescribed along with traditional antidepressants. Science fiction? Not quite. In recent years, a compelling body of research has begun to illuminate the profound connection between our guts and our brains, suggesting that the health of our digestive system may be inextricably linked with our mental health. This connection, often referred to as the gut-brain axis, represents one of the most intriguing and potentially transformative areas of medical research today. As we dive into the complexities of this relationship, we will explore how the trillions of microbes residing in our gut could influence our emotions and behaviors, and how nurturing these microscopic tenants might be our ticket to not just better digestive health, but improved mental health as well. Historically, the idea that the gut might play a role in our mood and behavior has roots that reach back centuries. Ancient Greek physicians like Hippocrates famously stated, "All disease begins in the gut," recognizing, perhaps intuitively, connections between gut health and overall well-being. However, the scientific exploration of this connection is a much more recent development. In Victorian times, concepts such as melancholia and its treatments often addressed dietary habits, indicating an obscure acknowledgement of a connection between diet, digestion, and depression. Today, armed with technological advancements and detailed scientific methods, we explore these ancient hypotheses with more precision, unveiling intricate relationships and mechanisms that were previously shrouded in medical mythology. The human digestive tract houses roughly 100 trillion microbial cells, predominantly bacteria, which constitute the gut microbiota. These microorganisms are vital to many bodily functions, including digestion, immune system function, and even the production of certain vitamins. Recent studies show that these microbes can also produce and influence neurotransmitters and other compounds that play direct roles in mood and cognitive functions. This discovery has spurred a new area of research investigating how imbalances in gut microbiota, dysbiosis, may relate to emotional and psychological health issues. By examining how these tiny inhabitants affect our body on a molecular level, researchers are beginning to piece together another segment of the mood regulation puzzle. Incredibly, our gut is sometimes called the second brain. This nickname arises because it contains an extensive network of neurons that not only control digestion, but also communicate with the brain via neurotransmitters. Serotonin, a neurotransmitter primarily associated with feelings of happiness and well-being, is predominantly produced in the gut. This production has significant implications for mental health. Disruptions in the normal production or signaling of serotonin are linked with disorders such as depression and anxiety. Understanding how gut health affects serotonin levels offers potential pathways for supporting mental wellness through dietary and other medical interventions. This dimension of gut-brain research highlights just how much our mental health could hinge on the functioning and health of our gastrointestinal systems. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation, often related to poor gut health, can have deleterious effects on both physical and psychological well-being. Research increasingly connects chronic inflammation with psychiatric conditions, including depression and anxiety. The gut microbiota can significantly influence systemic inflammatory levels. For example, certain harmful bacteria can promote inflammation, while beneficial bacteria might produce anti-inflammatory compounds. This dynamic can shift a person's overall inflammatory state, which in turn impacts brain function and mood. The exploration of inflammation's role in the gut-brain axis not only expands our understanding of mental health disorders, but also underscores the potential for dietary strategies or microbiome therapies in managing or preventing these conditions. Diet is one of the most potent modifiers of gut health and, by extension, mental health. What we eat can dramatically affect the composition and health of our gut microbiota. High-fiber, diverse plant-based diets are generally associated with a healthier microbiome, which supports both better digestion and mental health. Foods rich in probiotics, like yogurt and kefir, and prebiotics found in foods like garlic, onions, and bananas can encourage the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Conversely, diets high in processed foods and sugars can promote harmful bacteria, potentially leading to dysbiosis and negative mental health outcomes. Understanding these dietary effects not only helps individuals make healthier choices, but also guides public health recommendations and therapeutic diets aimed at improving mental health through gut health. The real-life implications of the gut-brain connection are profound. Dysbiosis, or the imbalance of the gut microbiota, has been linked to a range of psychological disorders, including depression, anxiety, and even autism spectrum disorder. Clinicians and researchers are beginning to consider the mental health ramifications of prolonged antibiotic use, poor diet, and other factors that can lead to dysbiosis. This shift in understanding points towards more holistic approaches in treating mental health issues, where gut health is a vital component of therapy. The potential to mitigate or even prevent certain psychological disorders through gut health interventions represents a significant shift in how we approach mental health care. The burgeoning field of psychobiotics, which involves the use of probiotics and prebiotics to treat mental health issues, highlights the therapeutic potential of targeting the gut microbiome. Clinical trials have begun to explore the efficacy of probiotics in alleviating symptoms of depression, anxiety, and stress. While results are preliminary and vary, the potential for these interventions to serve as adjunct treatments for psychological disorders is promising. This area of research emphasizes the need for well-designed clinical trials to better understand which strains and formulations are most effective and under what conditions. The exploration of probiotics as a complement to traditional psychiatric treatments could revolutionize the management of mental health. The integration of gut-brain axis insights into neuroscience and psychiatry is reshaping how these disciplines understand and treat mental disorders. Neuroscientists are increasingly interested in how gut-derived signals can affect brain development, function, and aging. Psychiatrists are also taking note, with some beginning to include dietary and microbiotic assessments in their treatment protocols. This interdisciplinary approach not only broadens the scope of potential treatments, but also promotes a more comprehensive understanding of mental health that encompasses physical health, particularly gut health. As research progresses, the collaboration between neuroscientists, psychiatrists, and gastroenterologists is likely to deepen, offering new insights and more effective treatments for patients. The exploration of the gut-brain connection is just beginning. Future research will likely delve deeper into the mechanisms by which the microbiome influences the brain and how these insights can be translated into effective treatments. Key areas of focus include the role of gut bacteria in neurodegeneration, the impact of early life microbiome composition on later mental health, and the therapeutic potential of personalized microbiome interventions. Additionally, advancements in bioinformatics, genomics, and machine learning will enhance our ability to analyze the complex interactions within the gut microbiome and its effects on the brain. This could lead to breakthroughs in how we predict, prevent, and treat mental health disorders through gut health. This field holds the promise of not only transforming our approach to mental health, but also radically altering our understanding of the human body. For individuals looking to enhance their mental well-being through gut health, there are several practical steps one can take. Incorporating a diverse range of vegetables, fruits, and fermented foods in the diet can improve gut microbiota diversity and functionality. Reducing stress through mindfulness practices, such as meditation or yoga, can also positively impact gut health. Regular physical activity is another key component, as it is known to promote healthy gut motility and microbiota balance. Lastly, considering prebiotic or probiotic supplements should be done in consultation with healthcare providers to tailor interventions based on individual health needs and conditions. By adopting these practices, individuals can proactively support their gut-brain axis and enhance their overall mental health. The journey through the gut-brain axis unveils a revolutionary perspective on mental health, emphasizing the symbiotic relationship between our mental state and our gut microbiome. As we continue to unravel the complex interactions at play, the implications for mental health treatment and prevention are enormous. This emerging science not only offers hope for those suffering from psychological disorders, but also illuminates a path forward for everyone aiming to optimize their mental well-being. The future of mental health, deeply intertwined with our understanding and care for our digestive systems, is on the brink of a new, promising era. With continued research, patient education, and clinical application, the mysteries of the gut-brain connection will further unfold, potentially leading to a paradigm shift in how we perceive and treat mental health. As we reach the conclusion of our exploration into the gut-brain axis and its profound impact on mental health, we invite you to stay connected and informed. If you found this journey enlightening and wish to keep abreast of the latest developments in this exciting field, consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to continue producing content that not only informs, but also empowers and inspires. Don't forget to like this video if you've gained new insights today, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from understanding the powerful connection between our gut health and mental well-being. Together, let's foster a community dedicated to advancing our health holistically. Remember, every like, share, and subscription goes a long way in promoting well-informed health choices and scientific exploration. Join us on this ongoing journey to unravel more mysteries of human health. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more groundbreaking content.